Check the battery rotary locks. Keep the pins in the grooves. Before installing, check the sensor ports and DC ports. Ensure they are free of any water and debris. Clean and dry it if necessary. Lift the PowerFlight battery with both hands and put it into the battery compartment carefully. Press the battery downward to ensure it is fully inserted into the board. Remove the L-shaped hex key from the rubber plug. Then insert the rubber plug into the board. Take the latch out of the remote wrist strap. Use it to press 2 round rotary locks on the PowerFlight battery. Rotate them clockwise about 90 degrees to tighten them. Remove 2 protective sleeves from the propulsion unit. Apply a suitable amount of grease on the sealing ring according to the actual situation. Remove 3 protective sleeves on the mast. Slowly insert the mast vertically downwards onto the propulsion unit. During the installation, moving the mast slightly left and right will make it easier to fit in place. Then fix and tighten it with 2 M6X20 bolts. Turn the board over to insert the mast vertically into the mast mounting part. Ensure the mast is installed correctly and tighten it with 2 M6X20 bolts. Put the front wing on the propulsion unit mounting bracket. Use 3 M635 bolts. Tighten them with an L-shaped hex key or electric screwdriver. Attach the tail wing on the propulsion unit mounting bracket. Use 2 M620 bolts. Tighten them with an L-shaped hex key or electric screwdriver. Turn the board over and stand it on the ground. Wrap the remote wrist strap around your wrist. Long press the power button on the remote for 3 seconds to turn on the remote. Use the magnet on the remote to long tap on the battery power button for 3 seconds to turn on the board. Press and hold the power button and the speed gear button on the remote at the same time for 2 seconds to open the Bluetooth connection management interface. A list of currently available boards will be displayed on it. Use the plus and dash speed gear buttons to select the board to be connected. Press the trigger to confirm. When remote is first connected to the board, PowerFlight battery will pop out confirm tips. Tap on battery power button to confirm. If the connection is done successfully, remote display returns to home page automatically. Hold the remote's mash button for 2 seconds to unlock the remote. Press the plus and minus buttons on the remote to adjust the gear. Use the magnet on the remote to long tap on the battery power button for 3 seconds to turn off the board. Long press the power button on the remote for 3 seconds to turn off the remote. Rotate the 2 battery rotary locks counterclockwise by 90 degrees to unlock them. Remove the rubber plug. Press the unlock switch with your finger while lifting the PowerFlight battery up with both hands slowly.